What's up, guys? Today we're going to be showing you how to use Gemini to create a blog post. So that sounds pretty cool, doesn't it? Alright, let's go ahead and do that. We'll go to Gemini. All you need to do is sign in your Google account. Hopefully you have a Google account. If not, now's the time. So we're looking to have a blog post. Let's say, for example, we have a fitness blog. We want an introduction. What I like to do when I'm creating blogs is I give a large language model like Gemini, like ChatGPT. I give it ideas. I take what they give me and then I modify it to my liking. I just make it mine. You don't want to just use ChatGPT because then it looks like trash and everybody's got the same junk, same type of writing, basically. So make it your own, take their ideas, expand upon them. So let's go. Write me a blog introductory post about my fitness blog, focused on six-pack abs, because let's be honest, I have six-pack abs somewhere underneath all the rest of this. And let's see what they come up with. Hello and welcome to the six-pack pursuit. Hey everyone, and welcome to my brand new fitness blog dedicated to helping you achieve that coveted six-pack. So you go through this, you look at it, you love it, but what if you don't love part of it? Now I would say, let's say I don't like motivation and inspiration. I don't want any of that in here. So let me go ahead and copy that. And I'm going to say, looks good, but delete this part. And then boom, it's going to do what I say because it loves me. And we're going to be on our way. Alright, so you'll notice back up here, let's go back up here. We didn't like the motivation, so debunking fitness should be the end of that. And it is now. And we have a blog post ready to go. We can click this, we can copy, and we can put it in our blog. What I like to do is copy it, copy the whole thing, and then I just paste. And then I use this part right here as the title for my blog. Because my blog is fantastic. So, you can do that. You can, or if you're not quite happy with the way it is now, you can edit it again and have them change it again, just like we did before. But also manually get in there, type some, make it look like yours, and it's going to be good to go. And guys, you can do this on ChatGPT, you can do this on Gemini, and you can do it with a lot of different options. But it's just the basic idea of how to make a blog post. One thing I recommend everyone do, read what is, I know people that are making ChatGPT or large language models, they're creating content, they're not reading it. If you don't read it, that's just not right. You got to read it, you got to make sure it's saying what you want, you got to make sure it's making sense. Sometimes they don't make sense. So read it, don't post it, don't create content that's garbage, because once in a while this stuff will get a little confused. So go ahead and read it. Stay tuned. I'm going to make more videos. They're going to be great. Thank you.